Hey guys, how to change camera mode and sensitivity on Roblox. So, change camera mode by opening the settings or the menu camera mode inside the game, right? And then select the camera option, and then you can switch between classic, third person, or follow camera follows your character modes. And if you want to change camera sensitivity, go open the settings inside the game, navigate to the settings tab, adjust the mouse or sensitivity slider to increase or decrease sensitivity, and then once you're done, simply exit the settings menu. Your changes will take effect immediately. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.